Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The appellants in this appeal, who were accused numbers 1, 2 and 4 in the trial court and were prosecuted along with 4 other accused, in all 8 accused persons have been convicted of offences under sections 302 read with sections 149 and 120B of the Indian Penal Code, hereinafter referred to as IPC, and sentenced to undergo a life imprisonment and to pay a fine of rupees 1000 in default to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 3 years. Stop. A1 to A3 were also convicted and sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 2 years for the offences punishable under section 147 of IPC and to undergo imprisonment for life and also pay a fine of rupees 1000 each in default to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 3 years on each count. Stop. A3 was convicted for the offence under section 341 and sentenced to undergo simple imprisonment for 1 month. Stop. A2 to A4 were also convicted and sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 3 years for the offences punishable under section 148 of the IPC. Stop. All the sentences were directed to run consecutively. Stop. The conviction recorded by the Sessions Court and the aforesaid sentences thereupon have been upheld by the High Court, resulting into dismissal of the appeals which were filed by these appellants against the judgment of the trial court. Stop. Insofar as accused numbers 5 to 8 are concerned, they were acquitted by the trial court. Stop. State had challenged their acquittal by filing appeals before the High Court. Stop. By common judgment, the High Court has upheld the acquittal of accused numbers 5 to 8, resulting into dismissal of appeals of the state. Stop. Insofar as state is concerned, it has accepted verdict of the High Court and therefore acquittal of accused numbers 5 to 8 is not challenged by it. Stop. However, insofar as accused numbers 1 to 4 are concerned, they are not satisfied with the outcome of the trial and the appeal preferred by them in the High Court and therefore have challenged their conviction and sentence in the instant appeals. Stop. The case of the prosecution in brief was that the accused persons had committed the murder was the state executive member of the BJP and the deceased was the district convener of the and they were Hindu activists. Stop. It so happened that the Hindu leader was brutally murdered at and on the same day evening at 6 p.m. one brutally murdered by Hindu fanatics near Devan's house at Dindigul. Stop. The investigating officer in case had taken Devan to the police station for enquiry in that case but let him go after finding that he was not involved in that occurrence. Stop. But newspaper carried news as if Devan was arrested in that case. Stop. In order to take revenge on January 10, 1997 at about and the deceased accused formed themselves into an unlawful assembly with the common object of murdering D1 and D2 at 11th Cross Road Junction, Dindigul stop. A2 to A8 were armed with lethal weapons. Eyewitness: immediately after knowing